Everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who been rocking and rolling, with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I truly do appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, walkthroughs, everything, and following your girl on Instagram and using or following my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me. I know I be drawing it out. I know I be drawing it out, doing all that, but today, y'all, today is going to be my actual haul that I went to Bath and Body Works the last day of the candle sale, which was what, the 27th. They were doing the $10 off 3-wick candles. I had the coupon. I got the free items plus some candles, some backup candles that I wanted, and I think I got some new candles. So yeah, let's get into this video real quick. So okay, so the first store I went to, I did buy some candles. But after that whole little situation, I decided to go to another store and I exchanged those candles for these candles. Ooh. For some of these candles. And like I said, these were backups. The candles that I exchanged was the sugared orange and vanilla, the spring, plum, and blackberries, and spring has sprung, and Waikiki coconut beach or beach coconut or whatever that one is. Those candles I exchanged for these candles that I got in this bag. Now, because these candles been selling out, I really wanted to grab some backups. I decided to get the toasted coconut eclair. I'm sure everybody has seen and smelled this candle. These are $29.50, so they were $19.50 with the $10 off. But like I said, exchange those other candles for these candles because these are starting to be very hard to find. So I highly recommend, if you are looking for these candles on the next candle sale, go ahead and grab them. Hopefully they be at a fair price, or go ahead and exchange for some of these candles because these are selling out. So these will not make it to semi-annual sale. I think the only one that might make it is the Prosecco frosting or whatever that is. I think that's the only candle that's going to make it to semi-annual. But as far as all the other ones, they selling out. They are selling out. So I highly recommend you go ahead and do some exchanges or purchase yours on the next candle sale. Okay, the scent notes, which I think everybody should know the scent notes by now. Donut, chocolate frosting, coconut flakes. That's the scent notes of this. And like I said, I have two. I got two this time. I have a total of 4 now. Because I do like coconut, and y'all know that. Okay, so the other 2 that I got in one that I exchanged for is this one. Yes. Springtime in Paris. This is good. I really like it. I really like this. It's a floral. It's a soft floral. It's not really like overpowering in your face. This is a really average, medium. It's like a medium to medium high throw. This is good. I feel like if you're the type and you don't like florals a lot, you know, you like them, but you really don't like those heavy florals, I feel like this is a safe one. This is a safe one. The scent notes is peach, lotus blossom, and bergamot. I had to. This is good. So now in my collection, I have a total of 4. And I might grab some more if I could find them. The store I went to, I think these were the last 2 that they had. And then the first store didn't have any. So that's the reason why I went on and exchanged at the other store. So if I could find these, I might grab maybe 2 more. Because this is good. And I'm not for sure that this will ever come back. Yeah, I know how Bath and Body Works is. I don't really hear that many people talking about this candle anymore. So if it's not getting that hype, you already know they ain't coming back with it. And the lid, we all know what the glass top lid look like. So nice. Love it, love it, love it. So those are the 4 candles that I exchanged for. Okay, now my free items. The free item I got at the first store is this Fresh Getaway. Is the first free item I got. And then at the second store, because I really wanted that I really wanted the copper coconut sands, but for some reason they didn't have anything like that in the travel size. So I just decided to just go ahead and get the set. So I got the shower gel and the hand cream or body cream, or yeah, body cream. So yeah, I got that little set. Totally free with the coupon that has so much hype behind it. But okay, so that second store, I did end up buying some more candles. Now remember, from the first store, I did buy this candle. But remember, I exchanged it out and got the glass lids, but I decided to buy it. So this is the sugared orange and vanilla. When I tell you this candle is so good. I actually have the one that crystal citrus or whatever it's called. When it first came out, I do have that one, but I only had one and I do like the scent. This is so good. Orange and creamy. This is good. Okay, your girl got to put her grannies on in order to see. I just have to, because I can't see this little bitty writing. Your girl getting old. I'm just saying. I'm getting old. Okay, the scent notes is sugar orange slices, lemon drops, fizzy guava. This is good. I really, really like it. I really like this. And I don't usually like many citrus scented candles. They're okay. Well, I do like Sunwash Citrus. That's a good one. I like the midnight citrus. I think that's what it is. I like that one. But anything outside of that, I really don't be caring for. But this one, this is giving me sweet. This is giving me sweet oranges and cream. Oh, this is good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, and then the next one that I repurchased, which is the Spring Plum and Blackberries. Spring Plum and Blackberries. Yes, yes, yes. This one is new. I don't know what it smells like. Well, actually, I do know what it smells like, but I really can't remember because I smelled it real quick. Okay, the scent notes is Juicy Market Plum, mixed berries, vanilla bean. Yes. Look at that purple wax. I'm not a huge fan of the color purple. I love the movie color purple, but as far as the actual color, it's not one of my favorite colors. This one is just okay for me. I get like a, I don't know. I don't really care for that berry note. I don't know about this one, y'all. This one is just okay for me. I can see myself adding a little bit more vanilla because I feel like this candle would be really, really good if it was a little bit sweeter. I think it'd be perfect. But I really don't get a lot of vanilla. I get more of the plum and the blackberries. And for me, it's giving me more of a, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know. It's giving me that deep, musty like smell for some reason. I'm on the fence about this one. But I will keep it. And like I always say, the first sniff, is what makes you buy the candle, but the actual burn is what makes you fall in love with the candle. So yeah, it's always different. What it smells like on cold could totally change when you actually burn the candle. So therefore, I am going to burn it. I'm on the fence about it. It's not one of my favorite, but I can see myself burning this candle or blending this candle with like a marshmallow candle or a vanilla bean candle to just give it a little bit more sweetness. I think that's what it's missing for me. I want it to be a little bit more sweeter than what it is. But we'll give it a try. We'll see. Okay, now spring has sprung. I really wanted to try this candle because I have the older version of this candle and I do believe it has changed. This version is, maybe I should go get the other candle. This one has Easter lilies, dew-covered grass, early spring air. Well, the one that they came out in previous years, it was more floral. It was like a bouquet of flowers to me. And I had one, I bought one and I was one and done with that one because it was just so overpowering. The floral note was just too much for me. So therefore I was just one and done. I think I was one and done. But this one seems a little different. Yeah, this one is a little different. You do get that floral note. You get that floral note, but you also get that freshness. And I guess that's that air note, that early spring air, that freshness part of it. So I kind of like this one way better than the other one. I'm gonna go and grab the other one real quick. Okay, here is the old one that I have. Spring has sprung, and I believe this has, the name of this was Easter Bouquet. That was the name of this one, Easter Bouquet, and it literally smelled like a bouquet of flowers. Not necessarily one type of flower. To me, this was just like a mixture of all type of flowers. The scent notes is bouquet of Easter lilies, pink tulips, and blooming roses. So yes, the scent notes is way different. Yes, they still have the lilies, and that's basically it. So if you were wondering about these two candles, these are different. Very, very different. I actually prefer this one. I love that floral mixed with that freshness. If you love like straight up flowers, that's what this is. I did burn it like halfway through. Heavy floral. Heavy floral candle. The lilies, the tulips, and the roses. Heavy. Whereas this one just has the lilies, grass, and then the air. I like this one, and I might grab another one. Yeah, this one is way better for me. So yeah, I did grab one of those. And actually, this is from the 2020 collection. The 2020 collection, the one that had that pretty lid. Yes. That lid is so nice. So yeah, that's what that one is from. And this is Hibiscus Waterfall. I don't think I have this Hibiscus Waterfall. Love this collection, man. I don't know what it is about ombre. I just absolutely love ombre. I don't know why, I just do. I love the way these jars look. And they just keep pulling me in because I believe I had this some years ago. I believe the scent notes is tropical hibiscus, sweet peach nectar, waterfall mist. That's the scent notes for this one. Oh, I can't get over how pretty this jar is. To me, this kind of smelling like Tide. And it seems very light. I could hardly smell it. I could barely smell this. Have y'all experienced that with this one? Let me know, because I know I'm late to the game when it comes to getting a lot of these spring candles. But is yours light? Leave that in the comments. But it's most definitely giving me Tide, and I could be wrong, but I'm most definitely smelling like Tide detergent. The next candle I got is Bergamot Water. No, it's not a new candle. This is in their core collection, but I do not own this candle. I don't know why, but I've never owned this candle. I honestly feel like I have a single wick that I just recently bought from the semi-annual sale, but I have not burned it or anything yet, I don't believe. So I decided to grab this. Somebody told me that this smells very similar to Dolce & Gabbana's light blue perfume. So that's the reason why I decided to grab it, because I wanted to try it and see if it actually smells like light blue. Let's see, the scent notes is bergamot, blue waters, citrus, sandalwood. No. On cold, this don't smell like light blue. No. So I don't think it smells like light blue, but maybe it does once it's burning. I don't know, but on cold sniff, it does not. It most definitely smells of some type of fragrance. I do get a lot of that citrus. Yeah, so we'll give this a try and we'll see if I'm gonna be one and done, or will I put this in the rotation for my core collection. We'll see. Okay, and then the next one I got, I had to grab another one of these because this is selling out, Dark Amber and Oud, and I wanted to grab a couple of these because I think once this candle is gone, it will be gone. It will never ever come back, because this candle has been getting mixed reviews. A lot of people don't like it, but me personally, I do like it. I feel like it is one of those grown and sexy scents. It is more of a fresh woody scent to me. I do like Goose Creek Oud candle better than this, but not to say that this isn't good, because it is good. It's just that when you have to compare two Ouds, if I had to pick one, yes, I would pick the Goose Creek Oud because it's more of a warm candle versus this is more of a fresh candle. So to me, they kind of do two different things. I might want a fresh oud one day, or I might want a warm oud. So I do have two different candles that I can pick from that. Put the glasses back on, even though I keep on putting them on, taking them off, putting them on, taking them off. I'm just saying. So put them back on so I can read the notes. Okay, Golden Amber, fresh rainwater, oud wood. Fresh oud, it is a masculine scent. You're gonna get that cologne. If you don't like masculine scent, cologne type of scents, you will not like this. And I think that's the reason why a lot of people is passing on it, because some people just don't like cologne scents. I like it. It's good to me. But if you love this candle, I highly recommend you go ahead and stock up on it, because when this is gone, it's going to be gone. I don't think they will ever come back out with this one. That's the reason why I went on and grabbed another one. If I could find it, I might grab maybe one or two more, because I think this only made number 2. I think. Either 2 or 3. So yeah, I would love to have maybe 4 in my collection, because like I said, it's never coming back. I could almost bet money to that this candle is not coming back, unless Bath and Body Works do like a whole men's collection that's strictly candles, and it has nothing to do with body care, because all of these men's collection candles that we have now has something to do with body care. Just like vintage, they have the vintage candle as well as the vintage body care. They have the ocean candle as well as the ocean body care, meaning there's no body care even associated with the candle. If they did, I could see this being in the collection. I'm just saying that would be nice if they did that. So leave in the comments, let me know, what did you buy on this $10 off sale? Leave that at the bottom. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as well as follow or use my hashtag. Hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.